Every piece of equipment goes through a life cycle, from day one to day done. Across that journey, data is created at every step, but too often, that information gets trapped in different systems, teams, or moments in time. XOI Asset Intelligence connects that entire journey, turning every interaction in the life cycle into usable equipment insight. It begins at manufacturing, where real-world field data connects product design to real performance. When equipment is purchased, accurate product and asset application data help teams select the right equipment with confidence. During installation and startup, guided workflows and visual documentation create a verified asset record from day one. Warranty documentation and asset records help organizations stay compliant and protect equipment value. When agreements are won and equipment is managed from a single source across locations, teams gain visibility into asset requirements and lifecycle planning. As equipment is maintained, workflows and service history help technicians work faster and keep assets performing longer. When reactive service is needed, technicians arrive with the full service history, trends, and insights needed to diagnose problems faster and improve first-time fix rates. Performance data then informs smarter repair versus replace decisions and better capital planning. And when an asset reaches the end of its life cycle, photo and video documentation confirm proper removal and replacement. The result is a continuous stream of intelligence that follows every asset through its entire journey. From the field to the front office, everyone works from the same source of truth, enabling smarter decisions at every stage.